why I can't make my bed first thing in the morning. It's 11:30 and he's still. Oh. Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 10. It is lunchtime on a work day. I'm eating my crazy meal. It is a air fried egg white tortilla with cheese and a hot dog, and I like to roll it and eat it, and it is so yummy. I love hot dogs. I also have a caffeine-free Diet Coke. I wish it had caffeine in it. This weekend was insane. I am so tired. There's a couple of things that I have to decide to do today. Either, which you probably know from the title of this video, but past Lorelei, does not know what future Lorelei is going to be doing today. Either go to the mall and pick up a couple of last minute Christmas gifts, or stay home and clean, because it is a disaster from baking and just the sheer nature of the weekend with being so busy, like in and out of the house. We did not pick up at all. I feel like that would be the wiser choice, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I need to eat my lunch. I am starving and get back to work. Today is my longest meeting day. So I'm just like, I don't know if you can hear my stomach growling. It's like, be quiet, Lorelei, stop talking, eat. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat and I will catch you up in a little bit. Guys, I am so excited. The Heavenly Cream tea just came and I am going, wow, it is so dark. It is like such a gloomy and rainy day. What a great angle. My beautiful teapot that my mother got for me. I'm gonna turn on another light. My good china, because it deserves that. I don't understand. I have been waiting for this tea. I could have cried the other day. I wanted it that bad. Oh. Oh. He got the tea bag, so I don't need the teapot. I could still use the teapot. I'm gonna use the teapot. Yeah. Oh. How can I drink anything else? This might turn me away from coffee. That's how good it is. This house is an absolute disaster. I'm not even gonna show it on camera right now. How did it get like this? Tell me.
Baking. Baking really does it.
Baking, yeah.
Everything just
I just finished my workday. It's 6 o'clock. And it is so dark outside. We have to make dinner and Walter needs a bath. You need a bath, you dirty, dirty dog. He's filled with allergies. He needs a bath. This house needs to be clean. We need to eat dinner. No, that's not it.
Oh, okay.
I just bought it. Where did it go? This is what I got. And we'll wash his blankets. This is like a probiotic itch relief shampoo. So let's hope it works. Bath time.
You look so dumb.
What?
You look so dumb.
You don't look dumb. What are you doing?
What do you mean by my...
Oh, you're going in there with him?
Yeah.
But you didn't even take the shampoo.
Don't even put it through here.
What? This is so funny. Good boy. Remember when we used to have to do this at the condo? In the bathtub? It's nice he can like walk in and out. He seems fine. He doesn't seem anxious.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. There we go.
There we go.
Good boy.
Boy. Good boy. Oh dear. Okay, come here. Come here, sit. Sit right here.
Hey. Okay.
Wally.
There we go.
Good boy. Oh, does that feel good? Does that feel good? Oh, you're such a big baby. Oh, you're such a big baby. Oh, yes. You're such a big baby. Oh, you're such a big baby. I just love you. Now that Walter is settled, we are gonna tackle this kitchen so that we can have dinner. I have not cleaned up from baking the other day. And, oh, Walter, you were supposed to relax. You're supposed to be relaxing. Go lie down. Oh, I think it's because I said the D word. D-I-N-N-E-R. He's already had his. Anyways, let's get this room cleaned up.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is this embrace.
For dinner, we're gonna have chicken thighs, some cut up cucumbers, and mashed butternut squash. So let's get these going. I'm just gonna season with a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit, salt, pepper, and some onion powder. For the butternut squash, I like to just use this frozen pre-chopped stuff. Some salted butter, and the best ingredient is this summer black truffle salt. It's just like this loose salt that we put in, and Parmesan, and honestly it tastes just as good as mashed potatoes, in my opinion. On carnivore, we eat squash and cucumbers, so it's pretty much a staple. And I just put it in the microwave.
Parking structure in the LAX to a voluntary missing persons case. They're all, you know, why she doesn't know that people are looking for her. Does she know this happened to her dad? But the point is, there's really nothing more that the police can do at this. I was a late bloomer. Because when people put his
Dinner, Parmesan butternut squash, chicken thighs, and cucumbers. Yummy. It's tea time again. We have my fine china, and we're doing a light brew because it's a little bit later and it's a black tea. So I just did one, what's it called? Tea bag. This will be for you. I feel like I live in England. It's perfect. Maybe it didn't steep long enough. Andrew's tea snack. Jerk chicken lays. Well, and his... Wow, you really liked these.
They're really good. They're really familiar tasting.
I'm curious about those. Okay.
All right, jerk chicken lays.
What does it smell like?
There was another set of Lays last year that had a taste like, or
Smell like that?
Yeah, what was it?
Well, let me smell. It kind of smells like ketchup and barbecue mixed together.
Doesn't taste like that.
Favorite,
but
is it not your favorite?
It's not my. Like these are really, these are like fine, but.
Does it taste like jerk chicken? Because it doesn't smell like jerk chicken to me.
It's spicy. I wouldn't say necessarily, like a little bit like jerk chicken. Reminds me of something though, like another chip they had.
Dishes are done. The floor has been vacuumed. We get all these pine needles that get tracked into the house. And I think we're gonna watch a Christmas movie. What Christmas movie are we gonna watch?
4 Christmases?
Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah, let's watch 4 Christmases. Are you drinking eggnog? Aw, how festive.
Listen to the words of the marriage ceremony? Like I promise to obey? Or until death do us part?
I mean, I'd rather be like stuck on an island with some weird really.
Everybody home for the holiday? Yes, it is.
Service. My scalp. Wow, I look so crazy tired. That feels good. Thank you. Ow, my scalp hurts so much. Are you pressing hard or no?
No.
Yeah, it's tender. We are going to go to bed now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. Good night.